Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another quick and easy weekday meal suggestion, and on the menu tonight is burgers, gravy, and onion. Let's start with seasoning our meat. This is one of my favorite seasonings, and the next seasoning I got from a local grocery store where I used to live. And the last two seasonings, there's no salt in those: onion powder and garlic and herb seasoning. Season to your liking. We like our food well seasoned over here. Once you're done seasoning, you're gonna add an egg and mix the meat together. Now, I didn't have any gloves, and I hate that I didn't have any, but I had to do what I had to do. Once your meat is all mixed up, start making some patties and get them ready to fry. I'm using probably a little over 2 pounds of meat, and I think I made about 10 or 11 patties. While those are frying up, I'm gonna cut up my onions and peppers, which is a must for us.
I feel like falling in love.
Flip my patties over and kind of smash them a little, and while those are cooking, I'm putting on my corn. Add butter and sugar if you like your corn sweet. And now I have my second batch on, so yeah, what is that, about 5 patties, which was enough for us. We're gonna do jiffy cornbread, and guys, again, these are quick and easy meal suggestions. I know if nothing is made from scratch, that's not the point of this. It's just quick and easy suggestions. If you don't think jiffy cornbread is sweet enough, of course you can add a little bit of sugar. Yeah, so I know that some people don't agree with boxed items and boxed food items and, you know, things like that, but some people don't have a choice. So this is for people who just want something, you know, want quick ideas for their families and may not have time to do it from scratch or just not able to. So yeah, everybody is different. No need to judge. And also, if you take a look at my other videos, I do a variety of recipes. Not everyone in my house are meat eaters. For example, my son, he doesn't eat meat. He doesn't like meat. This is my 2-year-old. He also has food allergies, so I make a lot of dairy-free things and allergen-free things. So feel free to leave any type of suggestions down in the comments. The patties are all done, and I'm just cleaning up the pan and the grease a little bit because we're putting our onions and peppers in the same pan. And we're gonna cook those until they become translucent and soft.
While I ride it, got me acting hella thotty. So excited. I'm a seasoned professional. Squeeze it, don't let it go. Leave it, no self-control.
Once your veggies become translucent and nice and tender, we can start adding our patties and then our gravy.
I got time for wine. Got time today. I can't wait to come out and play.
This is a gravy that I don't normally use, but ended up being just as good. Make sure your burgers are nice and coated. Let that gravy get down in the pan to those veggies. Taste your gravy after it cooks for a little bit, and you may have to add pepper. That's what I chose to do. And just to get that pepper all throughout the gravy, I just ended up flipping them and letting them cook for a little while longer. You don't have to cook them too long. You just want your gravy nice and hot and heat it up. And I ended up making some mashed potatoes, and this is the finished product. Quick and easy and cheap. Thanks for watching.